Hello everyone, welcome back to Sumanyu'z Food Lab channel. Today I am going to make a Mangalore buns or a banana buns recipe. Banana buns are a sweet in a taste and the texture is more rubbery and a flaky inside. Firstly, in a large mixing bowl, I have taken a 3 overripened banana. Mash these bananas with the help of masher. Now add a 1 cup of brown sugar. Instead of brown sugar, you can add normal sugar or a jaggery powder also. Now add a bowl of curd to it. Then add a half teaspoon of baking soda. Now add a 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. And add a 3 to 4 teaspoon of oil to it. Now mix it well until sugar dissolves well in a mixture. Now it's ready. Now add wheat flour gradually to prepare a dough. As wheat flour is healthy compared to maida, so I have added wheat flour to it. Knead for 5 minutes or till dough turns soft, smooth in a texture. Now grease the dough with a teaspoon of oil and cover this dough and rest in warm place for 8 hours. Actually, the dough for banana buns has to undergo fermentation process because fermentation helps to achieve the chewy and a bread-like texture for the buns. After 8 hours, take a small ball-sized dough and dust with some wheat flour and roll slightly thick than a puri. But I have made like a chapati, and with the help of a lid, I have made a round shape of these buns. Now it's ready for deep fry. The thickness of bun should be like this. Now heat a kadai with the oil for deep frying. Then add buns one by one. By keeping flame on the medium, fry banana buns both the sides. Fry till banana buns becomes a dark brown in a color. The main or the important tips to make a banana buns are: use a ripe banana with a black spots or a black peel, otherwise it will not taste well. And 8 hours of fermentation is necessary and sufficient for the banana buns. And leftover dough can be kept in fridge and used for 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.